I got one comment here, how you wrote the link queries. So I think beginners don't know about the six. So already what happened here? So I did one challenge, RPA challenge number 6. So let me open that. So in this challenge, there is a one query is there, so which is related to the link one. So he asked me for beginners, link query is a bit difficult to understand. So the problem is I have the multiple columns like this. Let me open the Excel file. Okay, this is my Excel file. So I have the columns like this. So when you see is column A and column C are the duplicates, and B, C also duplicates. When you see this RPA developer UiPath combination, so city is not available here, but city is available here. So this data I need to pass it to here. Okay, if data is available, I need to keep that same data. Whatever the blanks having here now, so I need to take this data and fill like this. So let me copy only this. We all are categorized on, na? So finally, my data looks like this. So I need only data in another sheet like this. So the same thing which I have did with the link paths, I mean link queries. So he asked me for beginners, link queries is a bit difficult to understand. So that's why I'm doing one more method here. So let me do that. So let me back to this everything. We need to remove this data. Okay, now we'll try to explore how we can do with this UiPath. Let me go back to the UiPath Studio. So first of all, we need to read that range. So for that, I'm taking read range workbook. So let me take this path. So this is my path. And the sheet name is, I think, sheet 2, the name of the sheet. So this is my sheet 2. Data is available in sheet 2. So that's why I'm taking the sheet 2. And I will create one variable which is called Excel data table. So now data has been read. So later what we want to, we need to take this for each activity. I mean, for each row data table. For each row data table. Okay, then I need to pass here Excel data table. So here data is available on the column A and B. So C and D are the duplicates. So as of now, just assume A and B are the unique values and C is the duplicates. So now what I need to check? So I need to check B column B value is available or not. So let me take one if condition. Okay, I am taking if condition. If current row of 1 dot to string not equals to blank. Okay, if it is not equals to blank, then I need to consider this data and this data. Okay, so if I want to update the data to another table now. So for that we need to build one data table. So let me take one data table, and here I know the columns names. So as of now I know this column names for this case. So let me take this column names, and this is a string, and next I need to take this city. So column name to city, and this I will change to the string. Okay, I created the data table. So this data table I will make the name as final data table. Let me create final data table. Okay, this is also done. So we created this data table. So after creating the data table, we need to append the data to this data table. So for that, what we need to take? So just go to here, type enter data table. So here we can see this add row data table is enough. So take this add row data table and put inside this if condition. Okay, so my data table name is this data table. So just update here final data table, and here I want to update this rows. So this is my first row. If this is blank, I need to pick from here. If it is not blank, then I need to pick from here itself. Okay, first condition I'm checking for the not equals to blank. Then I need to pick from column B. So here what I want to do, current row of 0 dot 2 dot to string. Okay, this should be in array. So this contains as array. Okay, so I got this one. So later, if it is blank, so just assume I will take it as blank only here. If it is blank, or I will make here one more condition equals to space. So might be it will come like that or another way. So I put the two conditions. If this is equals to blank, then consider this data. So comma current row of 0, 1, 2, 3. This for the 3. Okay, here else condition is another. Just copy the same condition and paste here. So this is standard 0 and next it should be the 1. So this is done. So after that I will put one message box just for checking purpose. Message box. So I will update here. Check. Or else if you want you can write that range. So let me write range only. Write range workbook. So here I will take the same path and I will make it as 1. So remodified that table 1 and sheet is the sheet 1 and data table is final data table. Okay, now this is done. So what we did, so first of all we read that our Excel input data table. After that we created one more new data table because so we need to get only the unique values from the particular data table. So after that we created one for each row. So based on that condition we are fetching that data and appending into the final data table. So now let me run this. Okay, here it's got one error. So RPW. Let me open what data is there. So here you can see this RPA developer and RPA developer. These are the duplicates, so that's why it's got error. So if you avoid the duplicates, I mean duplicate headers, what we need to know. So just go here and remove these headers. Okay. Now let me run. Okay, data has been read. So I want to check I got all this data or not. So I will just check final data table. Okay, not this final table. This is Excel data table. So let me check. So if you see here RPA developer, so we got that headers. I mean without headers it's reading this data. Okay, now let me run this. So if you want you can put one more condition, if condition, just skip for the RPA developers that headers it will get. So first is not equals to blank, so then it will go here and append the data. So similar way it's go. So maybe let me run this and I will check this data here. So remodify data table. So here data not came. Okay, let me check what's happened here. So maybe I did some wrong here. Let me check. I will put one breakpoint here. Okay, just I will check in the immediate window. Let it come inside. Current row of 1.2. So this is a city. So in city only you need get data. So not equals to blank. Okay, this is fine. We need to go for the next step. So here what is this one? Current row of 0 dot string. So this is city. Okay, next it's scale. So we have the blank. So this is equals to blank. We need to check here. Not equals to blank, false, equals to blank. So this is true. So we'll take here only this one. So we can put here or condition, or else you can just remove this entire, because we know how the data is flowing here. So this is sometimes we'll make mistakes like this. So we need to check with the debug mode. Then we are able to identify this error. So first one updated and second one done. Third one it should come. Let me check what is the data in third. So Bangalore, Karnataka, it's fine. Every time it's coming Bangalore, Karnataka. 1 second. Let me open the Excel file. Okay, equals to blank. It's not coming inside. So now we need to check. So why it's not coming inside? Maybe I given something wrong here or something different. So so this is for one. It's fine. One is equals to blank. Then should come here. But here the condition is not satisfied and it's not coming inside. So first of all, I will check intro one dot string. So it is city. So no problem. Go ahead. Okay, second one I need to check. So this is equals to blank. Okay, what I will do here, I will put our condition here. Else I will keep like this and I will check. Okay, the conditions and now it's working fine. So let me click on this continue. And now I'm going back to the table. So not this one, remodified data table one. Let me open that Excel file, remodified Excel file. So now we can see this. So we got this data like this. So this is a way, if you don't know the queries, how to do that. So you can go with this as a method. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.